Question number 9. We are given some information about two schemes and companies, and it says a company offers two salary schemes for a 10-year period, year 1 to year 10 inclusive. Scheme 1, the salary in year 1 is £P, and the salary increases by £2T each year. So it increases by £2T each year. So this can be written as an arithmetic progression with the first term P, the second term as P plus 2T, the third term as P plus 4T, etc. So our first term is P and our difference is 2T. So in part A, we are asked to show that the total earned under the salary scheme 1 for the 10-year period is 10p plus 90t pounds. And if you recall, the sum of an arithmetic progression can be written as n over 2 in bracket 2a plus n minus 1 lots of d. So the sum of the first 10 terms, well, n is 10 divided by 2 lots of first term, which is p, plus 10 minus 1 lots of 2t. Well, 10 divided by 2 is 5, and then we've got 2p plus 18t, which equals 10p, or 5 times 18 is 90, and that is the answer as required in the question. Okay then, in part B, we're looking at scheme 2, and the first term is P plus 1800, and it's going up each year in T pounds. So again, we have an arithmetic sequence with the first term as P plus 1800, the second term would be P plus 1800 plus T, and so on. So to find the sum of the first 10 terms in scheme 2, we write 10 over 2. Now to 2 times the first term, which is 2p plus 3600, plus n minus 1, or 10 minus 1 is 9, lots of the difference, which is t. Just need to tidy this up, so we've got 5 and 2p plus 3600 plus 9t, and multiplying through we get 10p. Well, 5 times 3600 is 18,000 plus 45t. Now, reading the question, it tells us the total earned by the scheme 1 and the scheme 2 in the 10-year period is the same. So it's asking us to find the value of t. So in scheme 1, we had the total earned in the first 10 years was 10p plus 90t, and the question's telling us that equals scheme 2 earnings in the first 10 years, which is 10p plus 18,000 plus 45t, and we're asked to find the value of t. Well, we can clearly see the 10p's cancel, so we're left with 90t equals 18,000 plus 45t. I'm going to take this 45t over to the left hand side, and it leaves us with 45t equals 18,000. And if we divide both sides by 45, well, 45 into 180 goes 4, and we've just got 2 zeros left over, so it's 400. Okay then, in question C, we're asked to find the value of t, or for this value of t, the salary in year 10 under salary scheme 2 is 29,850. 29,850, scheme 2, and it wants a value of p. Okay, well, we're going to use the arithmetic sequence nth term here, and t of n equals a plus n minus 1 lots of d. And in scheme 2, a was equal to p plus 1,800, and d was equal to t. So it's also given us the value in the 10th year was 29,850. So 29,850 equals, the first term is p plus 1800. 10 minus 1 is 9, so it's 9 lots of t. Now remember, t was equal to 400, and we found that out in part B. So 29,850 equals p plus 1800 plus 9 times 400, which is 3,600. So 29,850 equals p plus 5,400, and we just need to make p the subject, so p equals 29,850, take away 5,400, so p equals 24,450, and is asking for a value in pounds, so that is our final value, 24,450.